You got one? Go, Analia, go! I guess I shouldn't have cheered for you. That was distracting, huh? Let's see you do it again.
You climb after your brother.
Go get Carson. Go get Carson.
Go get Carson. Carson, you stay up there, okay?
Nice catch, Mom.
There we go. Come here. You gotta hold on, baby girl.
Don't get too full of yourself there, Analia.
At 10 months, you think you can do that, huh? You proud of yourself?
Come on, Analia. Analia, you're hungry and mother. Come on. Come on. Come on.
There you go. Good job.
Good job. You made a one hair, Analia. And I do. Right to here.
Are you going to throw that to Dada? Give it to Carson. Go take it to Carson.
Yep, come get it to me. Don't worry, Sylvia. Come on. Her tomato on one hair.
Yes,
And now do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now. And then wind up. Right, Mommy?
Yeah. Let's see if she makes it.
She's getting ready to tumble.
Yeah, she's going to go sideways. There we go, Analia. Good girl.
Come on, yo, look at the top. Come on.
Oh my gosh, go, Analia.
Come on. Come on.
You don't look back.
Keep going. Go get Carson.
Come on.
Go get Carson.
Come on. You're just ready for tumble.
That's a big tumble. We don't want it.
Yeah, you tumble down these stairs. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Come on.
There you go.
Mama, check it out. I want my check it out. Mama.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
Come on. Come on. Mama. It's here. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go. There we go. Mommy, help you up. Yay! Yay, Analia, you made it up! Yay! Good job, baby girl.
Analia, nice job.
Yeah. Analia, come here. Good job.
Yeah. Love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Carson.
I want more. To my room.
Analia, nice job, Analia.
To my best room.
See ya.